Good afternoon, everybody. This is Mark Lambert of the Harmony of Discord and Pause for Tuna Trading Groups. It's April 10th, 2012. Market just closed a few minutes ago. I just want to do this video as a follow-up of the last video that I posted this past weekend showing how the April 2nd, 2012 high basically had a very harmonic strong vector ratio of 0.886, which is the fourth root of 5 of phi, and thinking that that had signatures of a tradable top, probably even a CIT for the year, but we'll let the market dictate whether it is or not. Initially I was targeting the trend channel. Today basically we bottomed on the trend channel, and for me that was a signal basically to close out all my short positions, and that's where I am now. Right now I'm flat. I'm thinking that the market's probably going to chop a little bit sideways, and I do believe it's not done going down, but I do believe it's also at a point where we're going to get a little bit of chop that's going to come in, and maybe even a little bit of a bounce, but probably to a lower high again, to form at least a higher degree correction. So with that said, I just wanted to show this chart. It's the S&P 500. Basically we turned where we were looking for the turn up in this grayed out box area. We basically turned on timing also, and also vector ratios and price. Looking at the ESs. ESs is on the same boat. Basically I'm looking at this channel using log scale, I believe. Nope. If I use log scale, you can see that we still have a little bit more to go down on the ESs, which could happen in a Globex or overnight session. But when you take a look at the primary session, I'm going to put it just for the primary session, you can see that we basically supported on the trend channel also. What the primary session is, it takes out all the noise that the market gives us in the overnight hours. It's basically just a New York trading session, and as you can see we also ended up falling right to that trend channel, which I believe is going to be at least short-term support. So that's why I closed out my shorts today, and we'll see what ends up happening. But either way, if we do break the trend channel, the safest trade to be at that point in time is the same as this one was. Let the break happen, let the market come back up and retest the underside of the channel before it falls away again. So that way it gives you at least a very safe trade to go short at, if that's going to be the case, if that's what you're going to end up doing. Because you know that if you go short at a retest of the bottom of either a trend line or a trend channel in this case, if you're wrong, you're going to know right away. Because if the market moves back up above the lower ridges of the trend channel, then you're wrong. So you close out your short and you have very little drawdown. If you're right, you're probably getting in right at probably one of the most precise times that you can during the market. The best price, as you can see over here, it did test it twice, but as far as the amount of points, I mean, I think there was probably only maybe a point difference from this top to this top. And if you would have been patient and waited for that and not try to go short here, or not try to go short there, but had waited for a retest, that would have been the perfect place to take a short. So with that, that's just my perspective on the market. I do believe that it's not, this downside is not done. I do believe we're going to be in a corrective bounce, probably starting today or in the overnight action. I wouldn't doubt to see the ESs come down and maybe hit this 200% fib tonight. That's 1350.75. What I also like about 1350 is that it's also has a number 135, which is a harmonic degree number. So once again, that's what the market gravitated to, was another harmonic number. So anyways, just wanted to bring this out. I hope you find it useful, and Godspeed to everybody, and have a great evening.